Hales from Masterflow, and I'm pleased to have with me today Keith Sanders, a long-standing pump expert from the industry. And today we're going to be talking about parallel pumping. We have a typical situation here for a chill water application where we have a duty of 40 litres per second at 300 kPa, or as we've shown on the curve here, at 30 metres head. This is a typical situation where we're told that there's two pumps on a circuit, each to provide a duty of 40 litres per second. When we look at the curve for one pump, it's a stable operation. Now we're going to look at it with two pumps operating in parallel. So this would be like a duty assist or a lead lag system. And Keith is going to take us through some of the challenges we have when we have these two pumps operating in parallel.
Okay, I'm going to take you through a worked example which shows you how two pumps are going to operate in parallel in a given system. So first of all, we're going to draw the curve for a single pump that is going to operate in parallel with an identical pump. So that's two pumps in parallel. And then we're going to draw the system curve, which is based on the pipes and valves in the system that we're using. So we're starting off with our pump curve for the two pumps in parallel. And all we've done here is to take the single pump curve, and at every head we're going to double the flow. So at this head, zero flow, so it's zero flow with two pumps. At this head, which is close to the best efficiency point, which is 90, we're going to double the flow. Double the flow is 19.5, so we're going to take it out to 38. And at the end of curve, we've got, let's take that point, 25 at 70 meters. We're going to take it out to 50. So that's a very simple construction of a parallel curve. Okay? Now we're going to overlay on that the system curve for the calculation that we made on the table. And we're just going to plot those points. Okay? And the pumps will operate where the pump curve intersects with the system curve. So for the single pump operation, we will operate just here. And for the two pump operation, we will operate just there. Okay? But there is only one system curve. Whether we got one pump or two pumps, there is one system curve. Okay? And the intersection points are such that for a single pump duty, we've got 24 litres a second against 77 metres. But for the two pump duty, because we're pumping into the same discharge main, we're going to get more system resistance at the higher flow rate. So for two pumps, we get a duty of 38.5 litres a second against 91 metres. So we do not double the flow by doubling the pumps.